So in this video I wanted to show you eosportal.io, and this is a nice little website where you can see the block producers and how much vote they have, who are the top 21 and then who are behind in the top, who are not in the top 21 essentially, and then also the actual EOS votes. This is the website I used when we were launching the mainnet to see if we were going to hit the amount of EOS necessary to activate the chain. So you can actually use this to vote as well via scatter. So if I log out, this is what you'll see if you don't have anything. If you don't have scatter paired with the website, you'll see complaint that they needed an identity to use. And so what you'll do is you'll go through pair scatter after you've imported your public-private key pair and your identity. You'll pair scatter. You'll select an identity to use to vote. Now that scatter is paired, you can set your voting power based on the EOS you're holding, and then go into the producers page and vote for producers. So that's EOS Portal. This is assuming that you've watched the scatter video and you have scatter set up as well. I'll see you in the next video.